love challenges? This one's for you. What tiny marine animals build coral reefs? A. Sea urchins. B. Coral polyps. C. Crabs. D. Starfish. E. Jellyfish. Correct answer is B. Coral polyps. What do spiders use to spin webs? A. Feathers. B. Scales. C. Silk. D. Mucus. E. Chitin. Correct answer is C. Silk. Which bird is known for a bright courtship display and a large fan-like tail? A. Sparrow. B. Penguin. C. Peacock. D. Crow. E. Heron. Correct answer is C. Peacock. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.